This is going to be my quick review of the Brightin Star 60mm f2.8 2x macro lens. It's an APS-C, so it's for a crop sensor. I'm going to be putting it on my Sony FX30, which is a APS-C crop sensor camera. Okay, first off, some other stuff that came in the box, which is a nice little bonus. A tripod that I might put my phone on, but probably will not trust my camera with. Little holder, phone holder to go on there. It also came with one of these lens bubbles. This size isn't really that powerful, but it's a nice thought. And some little piece of thing that I think maybe put on the focus ring and it helps you focus or something. I don't know, we'll find out. Oh, and also came with a nice little brush and sensor cleaner, again, that I will probably not use on an actual sensor, but maybe a lens would be fine. Okay, now Brightin Star 60mm f2.8 2x macro lens. Let's see, some instructions here, warranty card. Now, kind of a nice box for a $100-something lens. Let's see. Really nice box. All right, let's put it on the camera. Let's test it out. So I shot with it for a while. I think I got some good images. I think this is one of the issues. A little bit of loose. It's not even the attachment to the E-mount. It's like the actual lens itself and the piece that the mounting plate it has on the lens is a little loose. Other than that, I think I agree with some other reviews that it's not the most precise lens. Like, these numbers probably don't actually match up to the focus range precisely. But overall, for $120, I would say it's a good buy.